Hello everyone, do you wanna edit this way? Like this really smooth transition? You wanna do that? Just follow along. It's really simple. All you have to do is separate the portion you wanna make the slow motion for. Right click on it. Here we will see speed and duration. Get it to somewhere like 85% or however slow you want. And then go through this time interpolation and then select optical flow. After that hit OK and then press enter. Just like that. And then you will see that the clip is smooth and silky. Note that you have to have a higher frame rate for this kind of edit, because the higher the frame rates are, the smoother it will look. And there you go, you have it. Now you learned something because of me. Aren't you gonna thank me? Just leave a like if you liked the video and subscribe if you're new.